In this video, I will be showing you how to embed an Instagram post in Gamma AI. To start, I'll open my project and let the workspace load. I want to add a new section for my content, so I'll click the Add New Card button on the left panel. Now I'll switch over to Instagram to grab the specific post I want to feature. I'll click the Share icon and select Copy Link to save the URL. Back in Gamma, I'll go to the right-hand menu and click the Embed Apps and Web Pages icon. I'll find the Instagram option in the list and drag it right onto my new card. In the media panel that appears on the right, I'll paste my link into the field and click Go. Once the post loads, I'll close the settings to view the embedded content in the layout. I can easily repeat this process by dragging the Instagram tool in again, pasting my link, and hitting Go to add more social media elements. It is a very simple way to make your presentations more dynamic and interactive for your audience. And there you have it. That's the complete process of embedding an Instagram post in Gamma AI.